attention, honey. Step back. What's the fun in plain to say? Wouldn't you rather misbehave your way? Oh baby, show me the money, my evil friend. Let's go to Mexico, drink margaritas and sin. I'll light a candle for good luck. Come on baby, let's. What's the fun in plain to say? I think I'd rather misbehave your way. What's the fun in playing safe? No, I think I'd rather misbehave.